苏州运城 Board Industry Company Limited, founded in 2013, is a manufacturing enterprise integrating production, processing, and sales. Its main businesses include finished panel sales and panel processing, with sufficient panel inventory. The company currently owns major equipment as follows: 5 engraving machines, 5 laser machines, 3 cold folding machines, 3 hot bending machines, 1 drilling and polishing machine, 2 blister machines, 1 5-axis machine, as well as several chamfering, edge trimming, flame polishing, and edge trimming machines. It can independently undertake processes such as cutting, blanking, slot milling, punching, counter boring, edge trimming, chamfering, brightness polishing, bending and bonding for echo sheets, organic glass, PC boards, PE boards, and PVC boards. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to taking customer needs as the foundation of product development, relying on advanced production equipment and strong technical force, ensuring with strict production management and quality control, providing a complete set of perfect after-sales service system, pursuing excellence and serving customers in the principle of honesty and credit. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. Adhering to business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.